Hi, I'm Sam Cody, the Vice President of the Board of Directors for the Indiana Fiddlers Gathering, and we are excited to announce that we're back live in 2025. After a brief hiatus in 2024, the organization is ready to continue its 53-year legacy, celebrating traditional music. This year's event will take place from June 27th to the 29th at the historic Tippecanoe Battlefield Park in Battleground, Indiana. The festival will showcase a variety of traditional music genres from Indiana and around the world, including old time, folk, bluegrass, Celtic, and Scandinavian. Highlights include 3 days of onstage performances, free instrumental and vocal workshops, called dances, jam sessions and open stage performances, handcrafted art and food from local vendors, as well as on-site tent and RV camping. Help us keep this regional musical tradition alive by buying a ticket, sharing the word, getting involved as a volunteer, and becoming a sponsor or sustaining member of our nonprofit organization. Whether you're a musician or simply a lover of music, we hope you can join us this June for our annual celebration of arts, culture, and community.